So hi and welcome to another video, and today we'll be looking at the ASUS TUF M4. It's my first impressions of it, or the Tofu M4 as I like to call it. There will be a teardown and a weight reduction video to follow if they're not already out already. And basically I'm going to tell you what I think of this mouse, what my first impressions are, whether I like it or not, how it fits into my hand, and just things like that in general. So let's get on with the video. M4 Air gaming mouse. 47 grams is pretty impressive. I'm going to have to see the size of it to really get a boner for it, I guess. It just says it's got a 1600 DPI, 400 IPS G4, which sounds like the, isn't that the 3360? I could be wrong. Well, unless we've got a 3389 in it. I could be wrong. I'm kind of guessing it. Pretty standard packaging, nothing too exciting. I can see the cable was absolute dog shit straight off the bat, which is a bit of a shame. Oh, maybe I was wrong. Maybe it was a bit. It's not dog shit. It's just a bit stiff. I thought it was braided. It kind of is, but it's not. You're not getting much in the box, right? Is it? Voila. £46, 39p, so about 52 US or something. Oh, it's good sound. You got some reasonable skates. Disappointing they haven't done the front one. No SMR. It does feel light. It feels a little bit. So that's what it looks like before I mentioned. It's quite big. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. So that's a bonus. A little bit slippy on the coating. The coating's not great. You see that? Not got the best coating. It's nice to have, well, I don't know, some people might not like this still. They've filled in the holes but left the texture, so you can see it's like inset. Some people might not like it for the grip. The skates are not rounded, but not the end of the world. In terms of like skates, they're pretty good for what it is, I guess. Pre-travel, I think it's a little bit. Not bad. The sides though are extremely flush. More flush than even like a Razor Viper maybe. I mean, inserted, it's pretty much gone. Quite a bit of pre-travel on that rear one. Yeah, horizontal sensor, which is different. Yeah, I can't think of one we've seen with a horizontal sensor, unless it's just the, I don't know. It's not bad. The score well, quite don't really hate it. Nice inset DPI, so you're not gonna knock it when you're using it. Yeah, it's not bad. It's quite thin. Reasonable cable. It's got a little bit of pushback, but I was probably listening a little bit hard on it. It's not bad. Could be a little bit more flex, but for a, yeah, you can't even feel it a little bit. Not bad. Could do the power cord really. Not bad out of the box, I suppose. Good button, not very much movement in them. There's a little bit of motion, but not bad. So decent to score, but it is a little bit inset. I mean, creaking wise, does it creak? pretty solid. There's like a micro bit of flex if you want to really crush it, which you wouldn't do. It's alright. Yeah, built well. Includes a profile, the button. Go for the highest part. It looks like the hump's like central, it's not on the side or anything, so I'd say it's about there. A bit further back. Oh, it's quite a slopey front. Quite a nice scroll wheel. So the best feature of this at the moment is the scroll wheel and how light they've got it for its size. That sensor is going to be weird, like you say, the orientation of it. Weird.